Hello, and welcome to Market Halls. This video is here to tell you about why we're the best. Hold on. Let's not do another one of those long-winded marketing videos. This is so much more than that. We are so much more than that. Market halls are not just amazing, stupendous spaces of love, life, fun, food, and people. No way! It's so much bigger. And it's hard to describe perfectly, but it's kind of like this. Market halls is a feeling, an experience, a spirit lifter, an authentic, unique, creative, collaborative, colourful, vibrant, nourishing space. It is defined by the moments we create together. I mean, to be honest, our halls are joy encapsulated. Just pure joy. Give us your eyes for 2 minutes and we'll tell you why market halls could possibly be your next investment opportunity. Let's take it back to good old 2017. Enter Andy. Hi, Andy. Andy started Market Halls way back in 2017 with a clear, good time-seeking mission. Having travelled the world visiting hundreds of food halls, he knew what he needed to do to bring together creative food, good people, and great spaces in a pretty special and unique new way. And Andy was a man of his word. Along came Fulham, Victoria, West End, and
Canary Wharf, soon.
The vision was clearly a go, and with great spaces come great people, and that includes the guys at Market Halls, our traders, partners, team members, friends, and collaborators, all of whom make Market Halls what it is today. Hi guys. But just stop for one hot minute. This sounds great, but what is a Market Halls experience really like? I mean, really? Take me there, immerse me. I want to know exactly what it feels like to have a genuine MH time, and why you want to be a part of this. We're talking bars, serving up some of the best cocktails in London, as well as your regular favourites. And not to mention our partnerships with brands who are committed to putting our planet first. We are committed to having a positive impact on the world we live in. We're talking a sensory explosion, authentic taste served up by some of the best creative kitchens in London town. Mouth-watering. We're talking music, joyous new sounds, playlists from dawn to lunch to dusk, the drumbeat forming the soundtrack to your day, and all of the above driven by a need to bring people together. Some people call our attendees a community, but we prefer the Market Hallsters. We'll let Natalie explain.
A market hallster is someone who visits market halls once and is therefore destined to visit market halls every other day for the rest of their lives.
And that's because we understand our customers and we understand the way they view their market halls experience. Speaking of customers, there's a rather large appetite. Market halls visitor numbers are comparable to some of London's most popular tourist destinations. We've welcomed over 2.3 million visitors to market halls venues since opening. We've a combined following of over 65,000 people. But listen, market halls, this is all in the past. What about now? Where are you going with this? Good timing, Andy.
We're crowdfunding to take us to the next level. The recipe is simple to me. Our halls are nothing without community. So it's only right to invite you to invest in us. I have never been so excited about our future.
Nicely put, Andy. Our offering is expanding. We're talking new venues, new visions, a bigger community, and more joy than ever before. But don't just take it from us.
Why do we love market halls?
Energy, friendship and choice.
Market halls is magnifique.
Such a great space to hang out.
Always makes you feel welcome.
Something to be part of.
We look forward to welcoming you to our halls.
Let's go market halls!
Just pure joy.
There's nothing stopping us now.
Let's go market halls.
Thanks, guys. And let's not forget, this is a multi-million-pound industry, and we're a team committed to leading the charge and want you to be a part of it.
If there's only 10 seconds left of this memorable conversation, these are the takeaways I want you to remember.
1. This is an incredible opportunity and a proven business model with £8.8 million revenue and £1.3 million EBITDA at Victoria in its first full year of opening. 2. With more demand than ever before, with 47% of consumers intending to spend extra in 2021 to reward themselves. 3. We have a proven exponential growth pattern, generating £14.9 million in revenue in the year ending 2020, up 77% on the year before. 4. With 80% repeat business, we are loved by our customers and boast a best-in-class retention rate of 80% repeat business. 5. We're backed by G's Corp partners, private equity professionals who know how to do things right. 6. We have a highly engaged community and social following, with over 65,000 signed-up followers. 7. We're proud of our solid reputation, with an excellent Net Promoter Score of 62. 8. We have 3 iconic venues in gold dust locations. 9. We're committed to positive impact on our planet. 10. We are re-energised and ready for the next level. And it's time to press play.
Join us and be part of Market Hall's future.
We are Market Halls, and if this video brought you some joy, then just imagine what the real-life Market Halls experience can do.
Hey, does my hair need gel?